One of the terms we use in meteorology is known as albedo, not to be confused with the other thing. It is spelled A-L-B-E-D-O and is basically a reflection coefficient. So suppose you have two objects. We have one, let's say, is white and the other one is black. This one will reflect less of the light coming to it than this one. So this would have a lower albedo, probably closer to 0.1, whereas this will probably have a higher albedo. If it were something like fresh snow, which has one of the highest albedos known, it would be up to as high as like a 0.8 or 0.9. For example, if we have a surface and you have sunlight coming down on it, and we'll draw it with a red arrow. So we're going to have actually 4 arrows coming down. Now, if none of these arrows reflect, then it has like a 0 albedo, or all of the light hitting it is being absorbed. Realistically, even if it were black, a little bit would reflect. So here we have 4 arrows hitting it, and we have 1 arrow going up. Now, if we have another arrow to depict more light being reflected, then you can see in this case, 50% of the light that is hitting the substance is being reflected. Now we have 75%, and then 100%. And most substances don't fall at 0 or 100, but in reality they fall in between those ranges. So you'd have albedos from like 0.07 to 0.10 for oceans, all the way up to 0.8, 0.9 for fresh snow. And most objects fall in between.